Great, we can enjoy the city while we eating.
Okay, here's the menu. I'll be right back.
The spaghetti looks really good. It is. I had it the last time I was here. How is the pizza, Alice? It's good, but I think the pasta is better. What would you recommend? I'd recommend the lasagna. It's excellent. That sounds great. I'll have that.
Okay, would you like an appetizer?
No, lasagna is more than enough for me. I think I will have the lasagna as well.
Right, that's 2 lasagnas. Would you care for an appetizer?
Yes, I'll take the mashed potato.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have water. I'll take a glass of red wine.
Thank you. I'll get the drinks and the appetizers.
Thank you. So, what do you think of this place? I like it. It's modern and fancy. The menu is varied and abundant. I will come back again. I know. The food is amazing too.
Here's your food. Enjoy.
Thank you. So, is the lasagna as good as they said? Definitely. This tastes just like the lasagna I tried when I was in Italy. I know, the chef is so talented. So, how often do you go to eat out? I don't like cooking and I live alone, so I go out to eat almost every day. Really? Honestly, I don't eat out much. I live with my parents and my mom likes cooking, so she makes me eat at home.
What is your favorite type of restaurant to go to?
Since I don't go out much, I prefer restaurants from different cultures like Chinese or Korean.
I prefer simple dining so I can have a light meal for lunch or a takeout for dinner.
What is the most important thing when choosing somewhere to eat out?
I think of a varied menu can impress me easily. How about you?
I think so too. And the price, it has to be reasonable.
I agree. So, ladies, would you like something for dessert?
Yes, I'll have the strawberry cream cake, please.
Wonderful choice. How about you?
The apple pie sounds delicious.
Oh, yes. That dessert is one of the restaurant's signature dishes.
Okay, I will have that, thank you.
Here is your dessert. May I offer you a fruit salad? It's on the house for the lovely ladies.
Thank you so much, Andy.
Enjoy.
Wow, the service here is amazing. The waiter is very polite.
I know. I guess this is going to become one of your favorite places, right?
Indeed. Could we have the check, please?
Yes, here it is.
This meal is on me. Thank you for introducing me to such a great place. $33.55. Here you are.
Thanks, Alice. But next time it is my turn. Thank you. See you later.
Goodbye.
Situation 2. Jackson visits the U.S. for the first time, and his friend Luke invites him over to have dinner at his house. Hi, Jackson. Come in. It's so nice to finally meet you. Hello, Luke. Thank you for inviting me to your house. I can't wait to try American-style dinner. Everything is ready. Shall we sit down? This looks good. Do you cook all the food? Yes, I learned how to cook from my mom. How often do you cook at home? I thought the Americans liked eating out. During the week, it's more common to eat dinner at home. On the weekend or special occasions like birthdays or holidays, people like to go out for dinner. What do you usually eat for dinner? People eat all sorts of different things for dinner in the U.S. We usually have the main course and some side dishes for dinner. So, what do we have today?
I made a little bit of everything so you can try all the different dishes. For the main course, we have fried chicken, steak, pork chops, pasta, and tacos.
Oh, wow. These are American typical dinner?
Pasta may be from Italy and tacos from Mexico. These are both very popular choices in the US as well. I probably eat pasta for dinner at least once a week.
Wow, this fried chicken is spicy and crunchy. I like it.
It's called Texas fried chicken. Try the steak, it's my mom's secret recipe.
Oh, wow, American steak is the best.
And I made these side dishes: baked potato, mac and cheese, and grilled vegetables.
Oh, the famous mac and cheese. I saw it in so many movies and I've always wanted to try it.
Have a little more.
This meal has protein, starch, and vegetables. This is what you call a balanced meal.
I know. You hardly had anything. Please have some more pasta.
Thanks. Pass me the salt, please.
Here you are. Would you like a drink?
Can I have a beer, please?
Sure.
Do all the Americans use every cooking method in one meal like you do?
Yes. Baking, grilling, frying, steaming, and boiling. Most American kitchens have an oven and a stovetop, and many people even have a grill in the backyard.
That's great. In my country, not many of us have an oven or a grill.
I make brownies for dessert. It's one of the most common desserts in the US.
All these dishes are amazing. Thank you so much for this meal.
I'm glad you liked it.